So, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Hope you're doing well. Record snowfall, as I'm sure I don't have to tell most of you. There was a lot of people that needed to be dug out. There was a lot of people that needed to be checked on just to make sure no one got buried in the snow and or froze or all those sort of things. I really wanted to film the day of the storm, but I was just too busy with practical things that needed doing. One of the things that I've been filming is the destruction of the urban core. So the urban core is a downtown Hamilton community center that was sort of a central hub for people to go where they could find, be pointed in the right direction to services that they needed. A couple of years ago, they were approved to make a new building right here. And as you can see, it's just an empty lot. So now they've torn down the urban core, and this new building, they haven't even put one shovel in the ground yet. It took me a little while to figure out where they were going to cover the services in the interim. And, you know, there's one spot that's like in the second floor of a building over by Maine. And the safe injection site right now is in a church basement. The people on the ground doing the work, the nurses, the people at the safe injection site, they're doing an awesome job. They're working their ass off. They're trying to do as much as they can with the little they have. Whoever's at the top or in management or whatever top level, whoever's allocating these funds to do these projects, they're not planning ahead at all. You know, I wasn't expecting to have to deal with this snowstorm. But the snowstorm is a great analogy. You have to be prepared so that when these storms do come, and they always do, that you'll be ready for it. And there are lots of people who need help. They don't have the capability to help themselves in a storm or to help other people in a storm. If you live your whole life working hard at a job and you never give a nickel to homeless people, I don't have any issue with that. As long as you're living your life the way you want and not hurting anyone else, I have no problem with anybody doing any of that. But if you want to help, if you choose to help, You can't tear down the central hub of the urban core without having the new building ready to go. They should have had shovels in the ground years ago. You don't wait until there's a huge problem with homelessness and then go, oh, maybe we should have a better place for them to go. Anyways, thanks for watching. It really means a lot to me, and I'll see you in the next one.